This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first order of business is to make sure that you have stable and somewhat decent Wi-Fi connection. Then launch whatever search bar you prefer, or search engine rather, and type in the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results, look for either epicgames.com official website or Fortnite.com will do just fine. So whatever web page pops up first, go for it. Once it gets loaded, it will suggest to download the file. So confirm that you would like to still download whatever file it suggests, which is the installer for the Epic Games Store. Then, upon downloading, launch the file. Prior to installing it, you will need to grant Google Chrome or any other browser that you use the install unknown apps permission. So do exactly that. Then follow this little caution window, or however you call it, by confirming that you would like to install the Epic Games Store app. Then launch the app. So I'll just simply skip this annoying security scan. Then launch the Epic Games Store. In here, open the Fortnite page and tap the install button at it. Now we will wait for a little bit for the game to be downloaded. So as you can see, once the Fortnite game was successfully downloaded, you will receive the following system message, the same we had prior to installing the Epic Games Store. So basically just grant the same install unknown apps permission, but this time to the Epic Games launcher. And then we will proceed by confirming and finalizing the Fortnite installation. So then let's go ahead and install the Fortnite game. And after it gets installed, you can launch it, and the only thing that separates you from being able to actually play it is the fact that you will need to download one more thing, which is almost 7 gigabytes of updates and resources, but that's fine. I mean, once this update row will be filled, you will finally be able to start playing the game already. So that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.